How to use two accounts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use two accounts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use two accounts on WhatsApp, if you have the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, right over here, and you come to settings and you go to the account section, you don't have an option to actually add an account. Now if you had an Android phone, things are a bit different, so let me also just show you on my Android phone over here. If you just open up WhatsApp on your Android itself, let me just increase the brightness a little bit, then you simply come to this little three dots option and then you go to settings and then you go to account. Here you can already see the option to add an account. So on Android you already have the option to use two WhatsApp account on the same app, but for iPhone we don't have that option. For iPhone users, the only alternative solution that I can offer you right now is that you use the WhatsApp business application instead. So there is not a way to install parallel space or anything like that even on iPhone. They just make it really complicated, so there's just really no alternative for you. You just have to get along. If you really want to use two accounts that badly, you can use a second WhatsApp business application. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.